Hi everybody, today I'm gonna jump right into this clean with me video. I am only doing the upstairs, so just the master, my office, and my closet, and maybe the bathroom if I'm feeling up to it. So if you're interested in seeing how it looks at the end, go ahead and stay tuned all the way to the end to see the finished results. Now I'm just gonna spritz my room and head to my closet to start some laundry folding.
Don't care what you say, I do my own thing, I do my own thing, I go my own way. Don't care what you say, I do my own thing, I do my own thing, I go my own way. Don't care what you say, I do my own thing.
By the way, I am brand new to YouTube, so if you feel like it, please go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Right now, I'm just grabbing my handy dandy gloves and some cleaning supplies. Today, we're gonna use some Miss Myers, some glass cleaner, possibly the scrub bubbles for my shower, but I don't think I'm gonna get into that today. Honestly, I don't think I'll have enough time. Now, I'm not one of those people on YouTube that has those fancy Dyson vacuums yet. I am hoping that someday I can have one of those really good vacuums that are cordless, but for now, this is what it is.
What you say, I do my own thing, I do my own thing.
Okay, so this is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some more baking soda out into the hallway and the master bedroom, as well as the office, and get started on dusting this hallway, taking down my Thanksgiving decor, and we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick little dusting. Now I'm actually going to wipe the ledge down because sometimes the duster doesn't capture everything. I actually got interrupted by Amazon while I was cleaning, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my package and bring it in. And while I'm down here, I might as well go to the garage and get a Red Bull because I am tired, and I'm also gonna grab these Clorox wipes so I can get back to work. I figured I might as well restock the mini fridge too. Okay, so that was a nice quick break from what I was doing, but now let's get back into this. And now I'm just going to start dusting the baseboards. I know dusting baseboards can be so tedious sometimes, but it truly does make a difference, and I feel like whenever you walk into a home, sometimes the baseboards just being nice, clean, and bright really do make a difference in the appearance of the home. Not to mention, dusting these baseboards and getting the dust onto the carpet and then vacuuming it up really does help your home feel like so much more dust-free than what you would have imagined if you hadn't done it. So I tend to do this to also my doors. I start cleaning the edges. As you can see, there is definitely dirt and dust. And especially if you have like white painted doors or baseboards, you can see it more. If you don't, then obviously that's great for you, but keep in mind there's still dust there. So now I'm just gonna go into the guest restroom and go ahead and clean that door before I go back to my master bedroom and start dusting those baseboards. And while I was dusting the baseboards, I went ahead and just popped into the master restroom and started dusting the toilet seat and the baseboards in the restroom as well. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I start doing something, I go and do something else. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the vanity as well. And now we're gonna go ahead and just get the hose off of the vacuum and start sucking up all that dust that I took off of the baseboards. And I promise you, there is nothing more satisfying than seeing that hose pick up dust and hair at the same time. It's amazing. I went ahead and just took out the trash too. Okay, so now that we're done in the master bathroom, I'm just heading over to my office and I'm gonna go ahead and dust my husband's bookshelves. He keeps his books in my office. We kind of share the space, and yeah, I kind of just like to dust it every now and then because I don't know what it is, but bookshelves are like the #1 dust collector. There was so much dust that I had to get a new dust collector, and so that's what I'm doing right here, and obviously I'm struggling putting this thing on. I started dusting off my desk area now and getting it ready for work tomorrow. So there it is, looking nice and clean. And now we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the library/office. And now I'm just showing you briefly what the office looks like all cleaned up. And then I'm gonna take you into the hallway and start vacuuming and just finishing up a few minor things up here. My husband should be off work soon, so I have to get dinner started. But if you wanna stick around to the end, I'll show you everything cleaned up and finished up. Next up, we'll be finishing up in the master bedroom. As you can see, I left some baking soda on the carpet. Comment down below if you also do this in your house. Am I the only one? All right, everybody, we are finished up here. I'm gonna go ahead and take you around and just show you what the rooms are looking like upstairs. Here's the master bedroom. If you guys really enjoy Clean With Me videos and you want to see more of my house, I will gladly take you around to the main floor and my basement and do a full deep clean video. Just comment down below if that's what you want to see. And I'm sorry, I just really want to feature my little baby Yoda. I think he is just the cutest thing ever. Guys, if you made it this far, you've made it to the end of my video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.